Hello students, welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. I am your teacher, Mr. Stanley Ombogo. So dear students, this is another exciting episode and thank you for joining us once again. So in this episode, I'd like us to look at something under reading, and that is distinguishing facts from opinion. So talking about this learning area, we are going to look at two categories of adjectives, and that is factual adjectives and opinion adjectives. But dear students, before we get to look at that, uh, just as a reminder, adjectives are words that describe or give more information about nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns, remember, are naming words. They are names given to people, places, or things. So adjectives are now words that are used to modify uh, these nouns. So when we say that they modify the nouns, it means that they give more information about the nouns or the noun in question. So adjectives again help to make our thoughts and information as clear and specific as possible. So most of these words are vividly descriptive, and that is why again they are describing words. So in English, we can use several adjectives before a noun, and the adjectives have to go in a particular order. So again, that is why there is order of adjectives. So the order of the adjectives must be followed, and we are going to find out more about that as we'll be looking at the two categories of adjectives. So just to talk about or to introduce the two categories, so we have got factual adjectives and opinion adjectives. So to begin with the first one, that is factual adjectives. Dear students, these are adjectives that give a factual information about a noun. So the kind of information that we have here is based on a fact. So they are concerned with what is actually the case, and information provided is not debatable. So it can be seen and agreed upon. It is not something that it is not something that calls for an argument. So another thing is that the information could be about number, age, size, color, shape, or possession. So in this category of adjectives, that is under factual adjectives, the adjectives that we have here are adjectives of number, adjectives of age, adjectives of size, adjectives of color, adjectives of shape, and adjectives of possession. So the reason why they are given the name factual adjectives is because the information that we get about them can be confirmed. There are things that can be confirmed and agreed upon. So for example, if maybe there is a car and the car is color blue, so nobody will change the color of the car. It will remain to be blue. That is a fact. If I say that I am taller than my younger brother, it remains a fact. It remains a fact. There is no single day we will wake up, then he will all of a sudden be taller than me. So those are facts, and again, that is why they are called factual adjectives. They are not debatable. On the other hand, there is the opinion adjectives. So opinion adjectives talk about, a speaker's opinion on a noun in question. So these adjectives cannot be agreed upon. They are based on, perspectives, sort of. So opinions, again, may not be reliable sources of information and should be questioned and carefully evaluated. So some authors, in most cases, are careful to signal the readers in their that is work, in their literary work, when they are presenting an opinion. So they use words such as "it is believed," "in my opinion," "in my view," "possibly," "arguably," "apparently," "presumably," and so on. There are others like "seemingly," "it is likely that," "I think," etc., etc. So another thing, dear students, note that when both factual and opinion adjectives are used before a noun, the opinion adjectives come before the factual adjectives. So here is an example in sentence: a beautiful tall girl. Uh, I can maybe have it this way. Today I saw a beautiful tall girl. Today I saw a beautiful tall girl. So the adjectives in the sentence that we are looking at are that is beautiful and tall. So we have two adjectives there, beautiful and tall. So if you look at beautiful, beautiful is an opinion adjective because there is these say that normally goes beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. So it is an opinion. Beauty is an opinion. So I might say that so and so is beautiful, or Jane, for example, is beautiful. But there is someone else who doesn't find Jane beautiful as I think Jane is. So that is an opinion, and tall is a factual adjective because if Jen, for example, is a tall girl, then she will remain to be a tall girl. There is no possible way, she can again become short. So it is something that, can be seen and agreed upon. So if someone is tall, they are tall. So another thing that is important to note is that adjectives such as big, small, tall, short, and long indicate size and length, and they usually come before adjectives of shape and width. So if we look at the order of adjectives, the adjectives of shape and width normally come after adjectives of size, that is example big, small, tall, short, long, and so on. So dear students, that is all that we have about distinguishing between factual adjectives and opinion adjectives. So thank you for watching till the end, and always remember to keep it easy, Elimu. Until next time, bye.